Hi everyone, and welcome back to my regular videos on culinary wellness. My name is Nikkie Windsor and I am a health and nutrition coach. And I help you identify healthy eating habits and lifestyle medicine that can improve your health and well-being. So today's episode I want to talk about antioxidants. So I'm sure that you've heard of them and that you're aware that antioxidants are good for your health, but do you know why? Now, you may have heard that antioxidants fight free radicals and reduce oxidative stress, but do you know what these things are and what risk they present to your health? And other than blueberries, can you tell me what foods are highest in antioxidants? Well, I'll cover all of these things in this episode, and I'm going to start by explaining what free radicals are. So your physical body is a machine, performing processes and reacting to the environment all of the time. Now, on a cellular level, chemical reactions take place that create waste materials, and free radicals are a type of cellular waste. Now, free radicals are unstable, and too many can lead to a state called oxidative stress. And oxidative stress can damage the body's cells and tissues, leading to a range of diseases and causing the symptoms of aging, such as wrinkles. Now, some of the conditions that are associated with oxidative stress include central nervous system diseases such as Alzheimer's and dementia, cardiovascular disease such as clogged arteries, autoimmune and inflammatory disorders like rheumatoid arthritis and cancer. It's linked to cataracts, age-related vision decline, skin aging, hair loss, diabetes, and genetic degenerative diseases such as Parkinson's. Unfortunately, many things in the modern lifestyle increase the production of free radicals, including inflammation, pollution, the use of pesticides, ultraviolet light exposure, fried foods, alcohol, and cigarette smoke. Now, free radicals and oxidation are natural processes and products and functions that naturally occur in the body. But they only become a problem when they increase beyond healthy levels. So what can we do to lower the number of free radicals floating around our bodies and reduce the risk associated with oxidative stress? Well, we can eat more antioxidant-rich foods. And that's because antioxidants are molecules that can stabilize free radicals, in effect cancelling out the risk that the free radicals present and reducing the risk of oxidative stress. So while we create antioxidants within our body, the most influence that we can have over increasing the amount of antioxidants is by eating antioxidant-rich foods. Now, there's many substances in foods that act as antibiotics, and this includes vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, various minerals, flavonoids, polyphenols, and other substances. And as different antioxidants perform different roles, it's important to eat a wide range of foods. And as always, I always encourage a diverse diet. Now, the best sources are fruits and vegetables. Foods particularly high in antioxidants may be labelled as superfoods, like goji berries. But you should be able to find more than enough in your regular fruits and vegetables. Many phytonutrients, so that's the compound that produces the vibrant colours in fruits and vegetables. They're antioxidants, a lot of them. So I encourage people to eat a rainbow of colours in their diet. Now, some antioxidants are more available to us after cooking. So like the antioxidants in tomatoes, they're more bioavailable to us once they're cooked. But others, like those in cauliflowers, peas and zucchini, they're lost in the cooking process. So eat a range of cooked and raw antioxidant foods. What you can, other things you can do is try and eat a fruit or a vegetable at every meal, more if you can. Use spices to up your antioxidant content of your meal. So garlic, ginger, turmeric, chili, cloves, cinnamon, paprika, mustard, oregano and basil. They're all good antioxidant foods. So where are these antioxidants? Well, the best foods to get them from are cacao or cocoa-rich foods. So I always sprinkle cacao nibs on my breakfast. But if you're using anything like chocolate, make sure it's dark chocolate and at least 70% cocoa. Because it's in the cocoa that you get all of the benefits, and cheap chocolate, milk chocolate and things, they've just got too many dairy and sugars in them and a lot of oils. If you want to know more about the health of chocolate, then check out my video here. Berries are a great antioxidant food, like all berries, but blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, goji berries, you can often buy them dried, but they tend to be a bit more expensive. Nuts, particularly pecans, walnuts and Brazils. Artichokes are high in antioxidants, and they're also a good prebiotic, which is very good for the gut microbiome. Kale, especially the red varieties, spinach, red cabbage, beetroot, beans and tea, especially green and matcha. So as I said, colour, the phytonutrients carry a lot of antioxidants. So eat your orange fruits and vegetables, oranges, carrots, sweet potatoes, squash. Your purples, reds and blues are your berries, tomatoes, red kale, red cabbage, beetroot and eggplant. Your greens, your leafy vegetables, your kales, your spinach and artichokes. And then your neutrals and your browns, which is your beans, your nuts, your cacao, your whole grains. Now, blueberries, as I started, they're an excellent antioxidant, and on my website I've recently shared a recipe on blueberry pancakes, and this is a great recipe which is gut friendly. So there'll be links to that on my social media later this week, or pop on over to my website and take a look. Well, I hope you found that useful, and I'm now going to start incorporating a lot more antioxidants in your diet. All right, I'll see you at the next episode. All right, bye.